children, today let's start with chapter number 2, that is the Northern Mountains. So let's study about the Northern Mountains. So India is bounded by a long high range of mountain in the north and the northeast. The chain includes Karakoram and Himalayan ridges, which means home of snow. इसको आप adobe of snow कहते हैं, राइट. हिमालय रेंजेस जो है वो आपके कश्मीर से लेकर आपके अरुणाचल प्रदेश जो आपका नॉर्थ ईस्ट में है. From Arunachal, they turn towards the south. After they turn, what happened? They are not as high as the Himalayas in the north, and they are called northeastern hills. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? Northeastern hills बोलते हैं. Landforms, if we talk about, they learn parallel to each other. The highest mountain peak in the world lies in the mountain ranges. The highest Himalaya peak is Mount Everest, जो आपके नेपाल में lie करके 2 countries lie completely in the Himalayan ranges. They are Nepal and Bhutan. There are few states of the country which are very close to these ranges. They are Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, northwestern part of Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim, and a small part of Bengal, Assam, and all the small state of northeast India. Kashmir जो है वो एक beyond Indus lie करता है. The highest peak is K2, which is next to Mount Everest. These mountain ranges can be divided into following zones. Let's study about these divisions, that is Himadri, Great Himalaya, Himachal, Lesser Himalaya, Shivalik, Lower Himalaya, Northeastern. First is Himalaya, Himadri or Great Himalaya. So these are the highest mountain ranges in the world. So the Great Himalaya remains covered with snow throughout the year. Snow covered hota hai throughout the year. River Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Satluj, Brahmaputra originate in these ranges. In the Himadri, there are very steep slopes and deep snow-filled valleys. यहाँ पे आपको ग्लेशियर्स देखने को मिलेगा and the ice begins to melt, water flows down towards the plains to form a great range. These mountains have always been a great challenge for the mountaineers. So Tenzing, Norway, Edmund Hillary were the first mountaineer to successfully climb the highest mountain peak, that is Mount Everest. Later in the year 1984, Bachindri Pal and the Indian women successfully scaled Mount Everest. Right, the Himachal or the Lesser Himalaya. So they are not high as the Great Himalaya. ठीक है, इतने high नहीं है Great Himalaya की तरह. They have many passes. A pass is the way to get between over the mountain. And the mountains are covered with thick vegetation. किससे covered है? Thick vegetation से trees of cedar, oak, pine and fir view है. There is a snowfall in winter. जो क्या करती है? ट्रैक करते हैं टूरिस्ट को. श्रीनगर, कुल्लू, मनाली, मसूरी, शिमला, नैनीताल, जार्जिया. ये कुछ ब्यूटीफुल स्टेशन है जो कहाँ लाई करते हैं? लेसर हिमालय. केदारनाथ एंड बद्रीनाथ, दीज आर द फेमस प्लेसेस ऑफ पिलग्रिमेज जो कहाँ लाई करता है? माउंटेन रेंज. द शिवालिक और द लोअर हिमालय. सो द लोएस्ट माउंटेन ऑफ दीज रेंजेस आर शिवालिक. दे रिसीव वेरी हैवी रेनफॉल ड्यूरिंग समर सीजन. ये किससे कवर्ड होता है? थिक फॉरेस्ट से. द लैंड एट द फुट ऑफ दिस हिल्स इज वेरी फर्टाइल. इसको हम तराई रीजन कहते हैं. और जो थिक फॉरेस्ट है आपका बैम्बू हो गया, टीक, केन हो गया, दे आर इन अबेंडेंस. और इसको हम होम ऑफ वाइल्ड बीस्ट कहते हैं. Like the slopes of these mountains are very fertile and sheep and cattle are reared here for their milk and wool. Northeastern hills, as they are hills, they are not at all high as compared to outer part of the Himalayan range. Northeastern hills include Naga, Lusai, Patkai hill, and this hill are covered with great thick forest. किससे covered है? Great thick forest से. और यहाँ पे जो बारिश होती है समर में बहुत ज्यादा होती है, right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.